Hi friends, in this video I will be unboxing this iPhone 15 Pro Max 256 GB. So this is a phone. Let me take this phone. See. See, we get this type C to type C, this USB cable. Then this phone. Let me check what is this. See, and here this is a pin to eject SIM tray. Then this is a user manual, I think. Okay, next I need to set up this phone. See, this is a camera. In the bottom side you can see speaker, then the USB type C port, and here on right side you can see the power button. Then here on left side you can see SIM tray, then volume up and down buttons. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video.